Welcome back to our piano tutorial. Today we'll be learning Sara's Smile by Oats. In my opinion, this song is very underrated. I love the chord progression. I love what the band does with the song. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now you have three main parts of the song. You have the verse, the pre-chorus, and then the chorus. And then there's a little breakdown at the end. It's not really a breakdown. It's kind of like a vamp towards the fade, or vamping in the fade. But that's pretty much it. So let's get right into the video. Let's get ready with this 4-bar intro. I'm going to play the intro for you right now. We'll go right over to chords because all these chords you're going to play right now are throughout the entire song. So let's get into it. So what's happening in these 4 bars? You have D minor. Actually, let's bring this up a little bit. Let's do this. We're going to do, well, we're going to go right here. There we go. Right in the middle of the keyboard instead. We have D minor for 1.5 beats. D minor is D's in my left hand with F, A, and D. 1, 1, and 2, and. So on the and, we're going to do this A minor 7 chord. A is my left hand with with G, A, C, and E. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. On this chord here's a G minor 7. G is in left hand with G, B flat, D, and F. 1 and 2 and this chord here is a B flat major chord over a C, so a B flat, D, F. C is my left hand. And that repeats. So let's play these 4 bars together slowly, because they do repeat. What we played exactly is going to be repeated in the next 2 measures. So it's not very difficult for an intro. It's pretty nice. Let's try it again. So I'm going to try and go slow. So D minor, A minor 7, G minor 7, B flat over C. Let's repeat that. Then we go right into the verse. Let's play that now. And that's the verse before we get into the pre-chorus. So what are those chords we're playing? Because they're the exact same thing. We're taking those first 4 bars and bringing it down again. So what are we doing? First chord's a D minor chord for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a C6. So a C6, I have C in my left hand with G, A, C, and E for 4 counts. B flat major 7 chord. I have B flat in my left hand with A. Well, I'm playing it as let's see, like a B flat major 9. But I just add the C in for color. You don't need the C. You can just do that. So B flat's my left hand with A, D, and F for 4 beats. Then you have G over A for 2 beats. A is my left hand. You're playing the G major chord. G, B, and D for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 2 beats are going to just be A. A, C sharp, E. Don't move your left hand. And that repeats. Let's do it again. Second half of the verse. D minor. C6. B flat major 7, G over A to A. Now we have this pre-chorus. What do we do right there? Once we get out of this verse, we go to this B flat chord, which we played before for 2 bars, for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4 is C. So we're doing B flat, C. They say it's an A7 over C sharp, which just means you're going chromatically from C to C sharp. I have G, A, C sharp, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. So we're going from this A7 over C sharp to a D minor chord. And that is almost repeating for the next part of this verse. It's actually using a tritone sub, I believe, but let's get into that. So you have B flat, C, A7 over C sharp, D minor. Let's go again. B flat, C. What's this chord here? It's an E flat 7. E flat's my left hand with G, B flat, and D flat. To D minor. And then you end on a G minor 7 there for two bars. So. Been back into, no snapping, but I'm just trying to keep tempo. Then go into the chorus. But what was that? So we go from this A7 over C sharp to a D minor, but then we go this E flat 7, which is a tritone. So what does that mean? This is your tritone. I have A and E flat. So a tritone sub, you're subbing a tritone for the chord you're at. So my chord is A, the tritone sub would be E flat. Little theory lesson for you. Anyway, you end with this G minor 7 chord. 1, 2, 3. Let's play, and that goes into the chorus. Let me play this chorus for you. So the verse is very, very short. It's only 4 bars. What were the chords I was playing there? D minor for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4 is A minor. To a G minor 7, which we just played. And this goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So what am I doing there? G minor 7 for 1.5 beats. 1 and 2 and 3. So for 2 beats, we have a C chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're essentially doing the A7 over C sharp, but we're not using an A. So this is called a C sharp diminished. Because we have, instead of playing C, E, G, we're playing C sharp, E, G. So let's play that again. 1, 2, A minor, G minor 7, C sharp diminished, D minor, A, G minor 7, B flat over C. And that is the verse. Oh, no, that's not. That's the chorus. And once you have that, you pretty much have the rest of the song. Because after that, it goes verse, pre-chorus, and then chorus fade. And what that means is that you're going to repeat the chorus over and over again until the band wants to stop or when you think it's going to stop. It goes maybe like 5 or 6 times, but that's pretty much it. You're going to end on this D minor chord. Thank you all for watching the video. Appreciate you a lot. If you like the video, then like the video and comment what songs you want me to do next and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one. Peace.